Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, November 17th, and this is my analysis for gold, and we're on the daily time frame. So on the daily, we got a really nice turn down at the 61%. I still think this is either an A, B, C, which would be a pullback to this whole move up right here, that it would continue the higher time frame uptrend, or it's possibly the top of a wave 3 on the weekly monthly, and this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave A. Either scenario at this point, it's not too important, but we are definitely this week going to have to try to figure out whether this third leg is a wave 3 or a wave C. And if it is a wave C, we would definitely stop looking for shorts and start looking for longs again. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, our 2 to 4 hour time frame structure is way up here. I think we are very, very, very likely going to get another big push to the downside. So is this just like an ABC pullback within a downtrend? I definitely think so. Now it could end up pushing up to, the 50 to 61%. Possibly could make for a pretty nice long, but because the 2 to 4 hour time frame trend is down, I would be focused on shorts. I mean, it could possibly just make a lower high, lower high, lower high, and just keep on going down. If this really is a wave 3 on the daily, it could be a very strong trend, which means it could continue down at any point, which is why even though I think it would make more sense for it to do something like this, I don't really think it'd be a great idea to look for longs because it may more probably do something like this, which is why I would definitely be looking for shorts in a downtrend. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.